What's up, everybody? Appreciate you all for joining the channel. Hussein Riz Trader, HRT here. I'm here for what? I'm here to essentially mark the supply and demand, my strategy, right? I'm here to tell the market, hey, this is my strategy, this is my setup. Market provides me my strategy, I then execute my strategy. That's it. So my strategy is essentially supply and demand. Looking at the pre-market action and marking supply and demand. And what do I find the supply and demand? Find supply and demand where the wicks are at. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. This is SPY right here before the market opens. This is the pre-market SPY. So I went ahead and marked right here, as you guys can see. Beautiful wick over here, right? Price came here, what happened? It had a reaction, change of direction, just like that, right? So that's essentially what we're doing real quick. We're going to do the same thing for Tesla as well. And then we're going to wait for the market to open and we execute our plan. So there's a wick right here, also supported by this little wick right here, as well as this nice, beautiful run-up. So let's go ahead and mark that as well. Let's go ahead and duplicate this and mark it. Bam. You guys see that? Good. This is the VWAP right here. And this is the 8E, just to essentially give me the momentum, right? The current momentum. It helps me see momentum. That's why I have the 8E there. And the VWAP is to gauge the overall, bullish or bearish. When price is below the VWAP, it's essentially kind of considered bearish. Above the VWAP, bullish, right? That's really what it comes down to. All right, cool. So I'm only seeing these two so far. I do see one right here, right? And I do see one right here as well too. So let's go ahead and mark these two, and then we're done with that. And then we're what? We're done with that. Cool. Let's go ahead and mark one right here because you guys can't see right here, right? Let me zoom it in for you. You guys see right here, right? And then maybe right here as well. I like this one for sure, but I'm looking for if it has other supports, right? Do we see any other wick somewhere else like this one? And yep, we do see it right here. So we can go ahead and mark that as well. Let's go ahead and duplicate this line since we're going to use that line. And then let's mark it. It's just right above it, but it is fine right there. Just like that. So these are our levels for SPY. Let's take a quick gauge look, bird's eye view. Oh, wow. Yesterday yesterday was FOMC. Take a look at this, right? Beautiful day trading. Yes, beautiful trading. Oh my goodness, look at this, right? This is the this is the wick where it's consistently been holding. Came back to that level again and just bam, right? And I believe these are the times in which your boy was speaking. Jerome Paul was speaking. The timing, right? The timing, right? Once the price came back down here, then that's when it rips. So something you gotta ask yourself, is it rigged? Is it all planned out? You know what I mean? It ran up when it reaches a demand area. Like, it's the timing, right? Is it timing really? I think yeah. We don't want to get into that right now. But this is our that's that. So now let's do the same thing for Tesla. Same thing for Tesla. Okay. Interesting pre-market action here. We're kind of forming like an H as though we're gonna go down. The H pattern is a bearish pattern, but I don't think it is. But we'll see what happens though, right? Let's first of all mark our levels real quick. Bam. These two areas are essentially, this is like a demand spot right here. All right, cool. What else? Where else do we see it? We see it right here. Let's go and do that real quick. And there we go. Done. Where else? Make sure everything's good. All right. Okay. We see some right here. Let's do that real quick. Let's duplicate. Bam, right? 1, 2, 3. Wow, there's like 3 wicks right here. And it's also one right here too, which is essentially, I guess, this whole area is really a demand area. So let's go ahead and mark that. So anything within this zone. Right now, it's a little bearish as it's below the VWAP, But if you look at holistically, of course, that's not bearish. What the heck just happened? that when I zoom out, you don't see the, oh, I didn't, that's kind of strange to me. All right, it's fine. All right, so here we go. Oh, Tesla had almost similar to SPY, you know, the way it looks yesterday. All right, cool. So these are the spots. These are the what? These are the supply and demand. These are the what? Supply and demand right now we got. All right. So this one got a support here. This is a beautiful one right here. Let's extend this one out just so we know that. Oh. And then after this, we sit back, we relax, and we wait once the market open. Let's activate this. Oops. I think it's this one. Okay, look at that. You know, it's not an accident. You know what I mean? It's not a random spot. That's what I meant to say. There's also one right here, so we can definitely mark here as well. Okay, I think we're ready. We are ready. We are ready. We are ready. Now we sit back, we relax, and we wait for the next 8 minutes or so for the market to open, and then we execute our plan. Now let us relax. All right, we have 2 minutes to the market open. Let's do a quick review of what just happened right now. SPY came to this level and is held, you know, bounced off the VWAP, and it's really looking to open above this level here, well, this wick, right? So any retest to the VWAP, etc., up to this level, I'll be willing to buy. That's that with SPY. So it's gonna be interesting opening for SPY. Let's take a look at Tesla here. Ooh, all right, Tesla. All right, so Tesla approached this level, right? Approached here, this zone right here, and it's having a reaction right now. And he did. He had a great reaction, went straight to the 8 EMA, and now, cooling down from the 8 EMA. So buyers pushed it up all the way up here, and sellers pushed it right back down. So I'll be curious how this will open up here. As long as we're seeing this wick, I'm willing to, buy here just a little bit, just to gauge, to see if we're gonna hold up this level. And if I start to see a bleed below this line, then I will, get out. But if I see a wick as we touch it, we're moving up slowly, then I'll add to my position. So here we go. We have less than a minute right now. I'm gonna go ahead and make it a full screen just so we see how they both open. All right, how they both open. So here we go. And let's have all right. All right, market just open. I repeat, market just open here. All right, so Tesla's bouncing off this level, which is expected, right? We could have bought a call right off the bat, right, in the opening. But we'll see what happens. All right, Tesla's bleeding that level here. All right, so SPY's here. Tesla's looking for a put at that level, surprisingly. I didn't think it'll do that. I'm tempted to buy just one put here. I'm gonna buy just one put. Oh, that was too early to make a put. That was not good of me. I could have done better in making a call, I meant to say. So here we go. I'm gonna do a call real quick for Tesla. So we're holding that level. Right, I mistakenly bought a put, so I guess it was a mistake. I thought we were gonna bleed down. So went ahead and bought it. I'll continue to buy it, but if it starts to go below, I will have to cool it off. I do see a wick here. I am going against this though. Ideally, it's not a good idea. That's why I just bought one just to see more reaction. Here we go. We are moving up. Good. I'm gonna go ahead and cool this one off because I just got in too early. Made a mistake. All right, that's fine. Bad start. I was trying to, yeah, that was a bad start, and I got in. Wait, yeah, but it's fine. We're fine. Let us proceed with our plan here. All right, so right now, SPY's looking to move down here. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and place a put for Tesla real quick as we're approaching that level, just to see if we're gonna react to that level here. I went ahead and place one put just to see if we're gonna push right back down. I repeat, I bought a put for Tesla as we approach this level. So we'll see. I'm going against this major candle here, so we gotta be careful. All right, here we go. I like that I'm seeing a wick here. That means sellers are in place, so that's fine. Good, very good. Now we went straight to the VWAP, so I gotta cool it off as fast as I can here. Let me just cool it off. It's because we're just right at the VWAP. Already made 50 bucks just like that. It's scalping right here. Could have still held it despite, this? Yeah, I could have. I would like to have had two, then I would have liked to hold the other one. Oh my goodness, I missed a lot on the table here. All right, we're going below that level again, so I'm gonna go ahead and place a put here for Tesla. All right, so I went ahead and placed a put for Tesla. My stop loss is right here, right? My stop loss above this zone. Literally, that's my stop loss. Above this zone. Yeah, I'm gonna call it, guys. Just making money at this point. 77 bucks. 77 bucks. I guess that's it. Could I still hold it? Yeah, I could have still held it. 77 bucks just like that. All right, very well then. Very well. Very well. Okay, I'm gonna watch SPY here as it looks to break here. I'm gonna focus on SPY right now. SPY is breaking that level, so I'm gonna go ahead and place a put for SPY. Here we go. SPY put breaking that level. I'm gonna buy 2 for SPY. It's breaking that level here. I'm gonna add more to it as I'm not seeing still a struggle here. All right, I'll keep this. So anything outside of this zone, I'll be getting out of SPY, basically. All right, basically. All right, it's getting a push up. So let's just get one screen going just because we're in SPY and this is probably my last trade here. All right, here we go. All right, let me, all right, here we go, here we go, here we go. SPY, did I buy the right? Yeah, I know I did. Yeah, SPY put, yeah, that's right. Not sure why I'm still in the red for SPY here. We'll see what happens here. Okay. I'm trading SPY up to this zone here. Outside of this line, like maybe like right here, I'm willing to, you know what I mean? To add more. Like right now, I'm gonna add more right now real quick. So this is my stop loss right here. SPY is not weak enough that up to here, I'm out. If it touches this line, all right, cool. I'm done with the position. Call it a day, right? Let me go ahead and mark it for us. That orange line is my stop loss for SPY for a put. Even though it's not moving very well, so that tells me it's likely gonna reverse all the way back up. If that does happen, that's fine. We're gonna just accept our L and we're gonna call it a day. So that's fine. All right, I'm gonna add one more. It's approaching our level again. Here we go. Don't go below. As long as we're below this line, I'm fine to continue holding this put. We gotta be careful though. Oh wow, Tesla reversed. So we gotta be careful. Tesla reversed, guys. Here we go. Spice likely wants to move out of this zone, so I gotta be careful. I'm ready to just sell out really fast. And we're in that zone right now. I'm gonna add one more. Here we go. And we're taking an L. We're taking an L. Cooling it, we're cooling it pretty fast here. It's approaching our level. All right, we went back below our level. We can add more. All right, we're going above the level. All right, maybe I should just be patient here instead of doing that. It's not a proper way. I got 3 contracts in place right now. We gave up some of our gain. I'll fresh it later here. I'll fresh right now. All right, I'm going to continue to add more now since we're below the level. Come on, stay below that line. I feel like I'm fighting the market, by the way. Okay, we're not staying below it. That's fine. We're ready to exit, exit, exit. Come on. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. I should have done that earlier. We gave back most of our gains, guys. Just want to let y'all know. We can go ahead and buy up call now that we're above the zone. Yeah. We're above the zone now. We can just add up to our and now we're trading on the long side, buying this zone as much as we can, essentially. Okay, cool. We'll continue to hold this then. Yeah, I was fighting the market, as you guys can see. All right, finally. All right, let's take a look at Tesla while we're waiting for that. All right, we're approaching this level, so I'll be ready to sell some here. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla did reversed, you know. Yeah. I could definitely buy a light call for Tesla for sure. Just one call. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of some of the SPY real quick. I got rid of 2 of the SPY here. Let me get one more out. It's because we're pushing that level. As for Tesla, let me show you guys how Tesla look. About one call. Oops, it went down already. It's unfortunate. We're holding that one here. I could have bought it right away, but I didn't. All right, so SPY is doing really well. Let's go ahead and clear SPY out real quick. Let's just take our money for SPY. Let's see how Tesla treats us with this one call. I didn't buy the dip, my bad. I was trying to buy this dip as well to the VWAP. We missed it. All right, we'll see. Would have liked to have 2 to 3 with Tesla here, but it's fine. SPY's moving up pretty nicely, so let's just focus on Tesla real quick. Since we're in Tesla here, can I still add more to my call for Tesla? I could, but I would rather just wait for a dip. I'd rather just wait for a dip to add one more call for Tesla. If it dips, I'll add to my call. Can I still do it right now? Yeah, I could. Then I just kind of risk a bit too much if he approaches the VWAP again. So I'll just let this one ride out. Let this one ride out. Oh wow, we actually made $100. So I didn't realize that. All right. Kind of wish we had 2 calls. Fine, we're not gonna fight it. We're fine. At this point, we're gonna just sell this one out, and break even. We're not gonna take an L on this trade. No way. I'm willing to sell at break even if it goes all the way down. I'm willing to see it, sure. But yeah, we're not gonna get out of this at. Right, here we go. It goes below the 9. It goes below this 9. I'm out. All right, guys, let's prepare to get out of this. That's what I thought. We had to be up there. Just kidding. Ah, we spoke too soon. Getting really pushed down. I'm not buying below the 90, guys. I'm just gonna get out if it goes below the 90. I know it's probably gonna be too soon to do it. It's gonna get out. Yeah. I just don't want it below the 90. I don't want it below the 90, yeah. Yeah, yeah. This was really struggling. Nice move up. Damn. I knew this would happen, yeah. I actually really knew this would happen. Yeah. I could buy it again. It's above the 90 again. Just keep on. Look at the range that he traded in this first 10 minutes. Crazy. What in the world? Right? We're essentially just giving up our profits if it goes below the 90 again. Wow. Buying and selling is pretty intense today. Probably should be more patient in this trade. Interesting. What a crazy fight this is. Yeah, this is pretty intense. Like I said, I'm just gonna get out if it goes below the 90. I'm tempted to buy it right here and just sell it as soon as it goes below the 90. Oh, I got in too late. Damn, that's an L trade. That's an L trade for sure. All right, that's fine. Let's buy put then. In the zone. As long as within the zone. I'm gonna go ahead and buy this put in the zone. Okay. I'm buying puts up to the 90. Let's refresh up here now. We took a major L on that one, yeah. That was intense. That was very intense. Like, what in the world? Wow. We're gonna bounce up again at this level? Maybe? Probably will. All right, good. Hmm. That was pretty intense. And our contract's not really moving too. Hmm. Let's get something out right now. Wow. That is crazy. Wow. Yo, I'm gonna tempted just to get out right now, just to get my W. Should we wait until it gets to that level? Yeah, I'm just gonna take my money, bro. That's wow. We just back up to where we were, really. I think that's it. I think that's we're gonna take this money and put it for the day. I don't think I want to trade anymore. But that was quite interesting trading today. Very, very interesting trading day. Could I still held it at one and just kind of wait it out and see if it's gonna go back to my, Yeah, I could. I think I'm gonna just, take my $100 and put it for the day. Let's see how SPY's doing. Oh, oops. Let's take a look here. Oh wow, my long-term holding SUDG finally went back in the green after the FOMC yesterday. Must have been related to the interest rate. All right, here we go. Okay, all right. SPY went right below the VWAP again. Interesting, very interesting. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put this $100 into the bank and call it a day. That's what we're gonna do. Appreciate you all for joining the channel. This has been a simple day trading day here, as you guys can see. I trade supply and demand, and as well as in relationship to the VWAP and as well as the ABMA. I hope that you guys have found this valuable. Today was just a very simple trading day. Please put in the comment what suggestions you could give me, and I could do better for sure. I'll definitely improve. I'll look into those suggestions, and I appreciate you guys for liking the video and as well as subbing to the channel. With that all said, HRT out.